Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have Capcut open and your clip on the timeline. Now begin. Click the clip so its controls appear, then navigate to Tools and choose Auto Transcribe. Pick the correct language and select higher accuracy if the audio is clear. This reduces manual edits later. Once done, press Start Transcription and watch the progress bar. The transcript file appears as a subtitle track. Make sure background noise is minimized before proceeding, because cleaner audio gives better results and saves time. Once you have the auto-generated transcript, open the subtitle panel to edit lines directly. Play the video and pause where words drift off. Correct spelling, punctuation, and speaker labels as needed. Use split to break long lines and merge short ones for readable timing, and drag caption edges to match speech precisely. Make sure you maintain natural phrasing and correct punctuation so TTS or viewers understand intent. After adjusting a few segments, skim the whole clip to confirm consistent timing. Finish by exporting. Choose Export and decide whether to embed captions or export an SRT file for other platforms. If you spot missing or garbled words, re-record problematic audio or rerun transcription after noise reduction, and then manually correct remaining lines. Doing this makes captions accurate. Make sure to save a separate copy of the edited transcript before final render so you can reuse or re-edit. If captions fail to export, restart Capcut and re-import the subtitle file. That often resolves glitches.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.